Good morning, Mr. Pradilak. I would like to outline the subroutines of the badminton jump smash shot. Firstly, you must get into position behind and beneath the shuttle. Widen your stance with weight evenly spread on both feet. Next, you must point your non-racket shoulder towards your opponent and shift your weight onto your back foot. The third action is to raise both arms up. You should hold your non-racket arm out and in front for balance, and raise your racket arm up behind you with your elbow bent at 90 degrees with your wrist cocked. In this position the racket head should be behind your shoulders. Now it is time to begin your swing. You do this from your shoulder while opening your torso towards your opponent. It is now time to jump up as high as possible using both legs. You start this jump by bending your knees and then leap as high as you can. As the shuttle approaches, reach your arm as high as you can and make contact with it. You must remember to snap your wrist as you contact the shuttle to drive it in a downwards direction. Lastly, you must follow through by swinging your arm down and through the shot. Best of luck with your practice of the jump smash shot. Now it's back to Connor for the rest of his multimodal presentation.